Hello, today we're going to be doing a coconut cake. This is, it's actually tropical, so because I added in a little bit of pineapple also. I'm going to start out by, this is Mix Quick again. Been doing a lot with it. So this is 1.5 cups of Mix Quick, and I'm going to pour this into a bowl. And next up we have some salt. So this is 1/4 teaspoon of salt that I'm putting in. Now, generally, if you had other types of flour or anything else, like a different baking mix, you would need to add baking soda and baking powder as a leavening agent. But otherwise, nothing in baking is going to rise. That's why I use Mix Quick, is because it already has it in it. So it's not really needed. So I'm going to whisk this together, just whisking this together. We're going to use this towards the end. I'm going to add in 4 tablespoons of butter. This is 1/2 stick of butter. And whatever you're cooking in this should be greased already if you have not. I learned that the hard way. Do not either grease, flour, or put parchment paper down on your pan, because you won't be able to get it out if you don't. And so I'm trying, now it's a reminder forever. So this is confectioner sugar, 1/4 cup of confectioner sugar. I'm going to put this in. Cream it together until it, hopefully the sugar will dissolve. That's okay. Gonna lower this down. It should take about 3 minutes. There is so 16 tablespoons, should say, is a cup. So that's the trade-off there. So I'm using 1/4 cup of butter. If you're doing this with a different type of butter. Now I'm going to lift this up. We're going to add in, and I'm using real vanilla, like the stuff you get from the bean. It is expensive, but worth it. Can't stand alcohol in the baking stuff. So if you don't like doing that, you can use vanilla, but it doesn't taste as good. So this is 1 vanilla bean. It is more than I needed, because 1 vanilla bean is actually 3 teaspoons. So but there isn't that much, and like I said, the stuff is expensive. So that's the vanilla. And then as an egg replacer, we're using yogurt. So this is Coco June's coconut milk yogurt. It's just their pure coconut milk, either coconut milk yogurt. Okay. So into the bowl that goes. So we're doing all the wet ingredients first. Anytime you're baking, you always separate wet and dry. There's the yogurt. So if you use coconut cream, it looks, it'll work a lot better. So I just added in the coconut milk a little early. So there's that. Oh, actually this was, okay, so let me go down again and mix again. I'm going to stop this again just to scrape at it, because it's all against the sides. So once if you get it, if it's all on the sides, you have to get it, you have to scrape it off. And also off the blade. once in a while. So, and this is just a standard paddle mixer, the one you'll probably use the most. I'm going to put this down again and we'll start again. Like we're pretty good now. Oops. Pull this up again, and now I'm going to add in about half of the flour mixture. We're going to do this gradually because we want to get all of the flour mixture in there, but we want to, the mixed quick mixture in this case, into the bowl, but we're going to do this gradually. So this is about half of it that we're putting in now. And down we go, and mix her up. I'm going to go a little higher now, so it's going to get a little louder. This is a very expensive thing, so Mix Quick costs about $16.99 per pound. I mean, for 2 pounds, whereas you can get triple that in the store for like $5 if you get Bisquick. Mix Quick is a medically prescribed thing, and so we can't get it in the store. But it's basically the medical version of Bisquick. And I'm going to put this down again and mix her up again. If you are using a different type of flour, don't worry, it's a 1-to-1 ratio. So, and that, and the sides. Again, make sure your whatever you're putting your cake in is your cake mixing should be greased. And so we're going to be setting the oven to 350 also, and baking this for 22 to 24 minutes. So you can test it with a toothpick when it's done. So to this, we're adding a 1/4 cup of pineapple and a 1/4 cup of coconut. So again, get that off. It's not as stuck to there. So this is the coconut. So just coconut flakes, or you can just buy coconut flakes or shredded coconut from the store. And this is the pineapple. I'm just using a can of Dole pineapple. And so there's that. We're gonna fold that in, and then we can get it in the oven. So back down again. So now I can stick it in the oven for 350. Grease the pan with coconut oil before I started. So just get this off the blade. So I'm just going to put this in the mold here, and then we'll bake it. Again, you want this at 350 for 22 to 24 minutes. So the frosting I'm going to do tomorrow, I'll have it on a separate video. If you like the videos, please like, subscribe, share, comment, and thanks for your time.